Install cookies on your website to make sure that the same people who visited your website are going to visit it again. What are cookies? Cookies are small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit. Your browser might be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, etc. It depends on which type you are using. Google Chrome is the most popular one worldwide. Cookies help your website remember information when other people visit your website, which makes it easier for them to visit your website again. In a nutshell, when people search for the same keyword again, your website is the first one to appear in their web browser. Cookies typically last for 30 to 60 days, but you can set them to last for over a year. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard, and on the navigation menu to the left, come to Plugins, click on Add New Plugin. And here where it says Search Plugins, we are going to search Cookie Consent. And this is the one we are going to use, Cookie Yes, the most popular one with 1 million plus active installations. Click on Install Now, and then click on Activate. Once you have installed it, it's going to be attached to your navigation menu over here, where it says Cookie Yes. Just click on it. Now we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, banner status is active, targeted location worldwide. Just click on Customize Banner, so we can change our colors and our layout. Modify your preferences however you desire. Make sure to select Geo-Target Banner worldwide, and then come to Layout. You can preview your default cookie setup by clicking on Banner Preview. And as you can see, layout is box to the left. Now you can change it. Click on Banner, and now it is changed to Banner. You can set it to the bottom or to the top. If you click on the top, now it is on the top. I want to use it at the bottom, so I will select bottom. Maybe you want the box layout, so you can leave the box layout. Now for the content and colors, you can choose light or dark theme. It is currently set up as light. Click on dark to change it. And now it is changed to dark. I like this one more. So to be honest, you don't need to customize too much. Just choose if you want the box layout type or banner layout type. And change your cookie colors however you want to, by light or dark theme. And then simply publish your changes to the top right. Then visit your website homepage. And now as you can see, cookie consent is attached to our website. So as you can see, this is a simple and easy tutorial on how to add your cookies to your website. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel.